everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we are going to learn how to crochet this 5-petal flower. Now before we get started, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a crochet tutorial. Now for this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3mm. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, you need to chain 3. And you work 1 double crochet in the magic circle. Now you chain 4 and now you need to work 2 double crochets together in the magic circle. So for that you need to yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Do not complete your double crochet. We are going to start the next one. Again, you yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, yarn over, pull through. Now you yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now that is how you work your 2 double crochets together. We are going to work, we have our first cluster here of the chain and double crochet, and you have your chain 4. We have the second one. We are going to make 5 more, 5 in total of these. So you have 2, we are going to make 3 more. Again chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Work 2 double crochets together in the circle, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Do not complete your double crochet. Again yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops remaining, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now we have 1, 2, 3. Again chain 4. We are going to work 2 double crochets together. That's 1, 2, and we complete the stitch. Chain 4, 2 double crochets together. It's 1, it's 2, and you complete the stitch. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 4. Now you need to pull on the loose end of your magic circle to close this loop. And we are going to join this row by working a slip stitch into the first chain 3 that you started this row with. Now to start the next row, you need to work a slip stitch into this chain space. And you start with chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in this chain space you need to work a double triple crochet. Now to work that, you need to yarn over 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Once you've done that, insert your hook into the chain space. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now this is your double triple crochet. We are going to work one more of that. Again, yarn over 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook into the chain space. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now the next stitch, we are going to work a triple crochet. Now for that, you need to yarn over 2 times, 1 and 2. Insert your hook into the chain space. Yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3 and 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. So we have our first chain 5, 2 double triple crochet and 1 triple crochet. After that, you work a double crochet. Now the next stitch, you work a triple crochet. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the chain space. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. After you finish your triple crochet, you need to work 2 double triple crochet. So for this, you yarn over 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. Insert your hook, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. One more double triple crochet. Yarn over 3 times. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now once you've done that, you need to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now you work a slip stitch into the chain space. That's your first petal. Now for the next petal, you need to work a slip stitch into the next chain space. And chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again, you need to work 2 double triple crochets like we did here. So that's 1, and 2. You need to work a triple crochet, one half double crochet, After your half double crochet, you work a triple crochet. Now again, you work 2 double triple crochets. That's 1 and 2. And now you finish your petal with a chain 5. And you work a slip stitch into the same chain space. Now to go to the next petal, you work a chain space. You work a slip stitch into the next chain space. And continue working this till you have all your petals. Once you've completed your petals, you need to work a slip stitch into the first stitch right here that you started this row with. And you chain 1 and cut your yarn. We've completed working the flower. Now all you need to do is work in your loose ends. You can also attach a bead in the center like I've done here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.